Okay guys, welcome back to Dr. How's YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can check and remove connected apps or websites on your Facebook account. Yes, but before you proceed with this video, please make sure you just hit the subscribe button there, like this video, and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I drop or I post a new content like this one, you'll be the first to get notified. Now we all know that there are some website or applications that have the Facebook option. That is, if you want to create an account with them, is either you use your regular Gmail account or you can use your Facebook account to create an account on that particular website or application. Now, if you should go for the Facebook option, they will ask you to grant them access to your Facebook account, and then your account will be automatically created. Yes, so now let's say you are let's say you go through the Facebook option, like you did not use your email to create an account on the application, and now you are done with whatever you were trying to do initially, and you want to disconnect your Facebook account from the application. That is, you don't want the application to have access to your Facebook account anymore. That is what I'll be showing you in this video today. Now, the first thing you have to do, like the way most of my videos are, I'll be showing you how to do this on your mobile device. Yes, you can still do it on your PC, it's still easy, but using your mobile device is very easy compared to the PC one. So now the first thing you have to do is you go to your Facebook application. We'll be making use of the original Facebook application, which is this one, not the Facebook Lite. Now you go to the Facebook application. Now once you are here, you go to your settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy you will see settings, the settings option. That is the first option under settings and privacy. You click on your settings, okay, and the moment you are here on your settings, just scroll down under security. Now the third option you see there is apps and websites. Now you click on this apps and website. Under this apps and website, you will see every single application or website that you've given access to your Facebook account. And from my own application, from my own Facebook account, you can see I've given WeChat, StarTimes, Pinterest, Coursera, TextNow, SoloLearn, the Panel Station, Swagbox, DevPost. All these applications or websites that you're seeing here are the ones that have given access to my Facebook account. Now, if you should check on your own Facebook application, you also see the website you've given access to your Facebook account. Now, if you want to remove it, all you just have to do is, okay, I'll be removing this new Allison secure login. Now all you just have to do is you click on this arrow close to it, and you just click on the remove option, and it will get removed immediately. Now let's assume that at some point you posted about this particular website on your timeline, on your Facebook timeline, and you want to delete it along with you want to delete it. You just click on this delete post, videos or events that are associated with this particular site that you've given your account to, and once you click on remove, every single thing associated with this particular website will be wiped off your account. But there is no need for that. I will just leave it this way and click on remove. Okay guys, and that's it. See the notification, I've removed new Allison. If I want to remove another one, okay, let's see this one, carry first trivia. You click on that arrow beside it and click on the remove option and remove. And as you can see, the carry first trivia no longer have access to my Facebook account. So guys, this is how you do it. It is very easy, and yeah, that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed today's video, just make sure you hit that like button, and if there's any video you want me to make create for you, just drop it as a comment in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.